Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another plan with me. Today I wanted to, sorry, I'm trying to get you adjusted here. I do have kind of a morning voice. So today I wanted to do a kit with you from my DEK Designs July sub box. If at any point you want to know where this kit's from, dekdesigns.com. The kits that came in the sub box are exclusive to the sub box, and the sub box cannot have the discount used on it, but you can use my discount for 30% off of $15 or more. So we can get started. I just did this plan with me a couple days ago. I think it was day before yesterday. That's this week. That was a plan of me from a couple weeks ago. 4th of July week. And here we are. So, here's what we have for the kit in case you did not see my box reveal. So here's the deco boxes and flags, half and quarter boxes, checklist boxes, washi strips, and here we have the headers and the deco. Let's get started. I'm going to try to make this a quick one, and I want to try to do some white space for once because I never do that. So I'm going to kind of mess around a little bit, probably not too much though, because I'm going to have to go to work soon. But yeah, so I usually start out with the deco boxes, so I'm going to do that really quickly. Alrighty, so here's what we have so far. I just laid down the deco boxes and then the days of the week that are dated. I dated them already. So now I'm going to do the headers. Alright, so we just did the headers. So I used the headers from the kit, but I also used some bow headers, which these are sold separately and in all different foils. And then I used this sticker right here, left over from the fireworks kit. So, next I'm going to do the sidebar. Okay, so as I'm finishing up the sidebar, I just noticed something that I have not seen in any of these kits before. And that is that the header sheet actually had a sticker that says work. And this is what I use this weekly tracker here for, is my work schedule. And then since only 2 of the weekly trackers come with each kit, I pulled out another 2 from Fabulously Planned. She does Dollar Wednesdays. So each of these sheets are $1, so I bought a bunch of trackers, and I have a lot of other stickers from her. I love Dollar Wednesdays. But anyways, so that's what I used there, and I might be using these. I haven't quite decided yet, but I'm gonna throw down the washi super quick, and then we'll get going on the flags, and that might be it. I haven't decided. Okay, so as you can see, I'm putting down doilies and I'm also doing flags, but I'm going to be whiting these out. I saw someone do it in a video the other day, so I want to try it. So I have my Tombow Mono Air 6. I got this at PlannerCon last year. So I'm going to white these out and throw the flags down real super quick. Okay, so I decided to throw the doilies down here. Not a huge fan of the Tombow whiteout, so I think I'm going to just stick with my normal Bic because it rolls over weird, and yeah. So there was a lot of fixing, and I'm really glad you guys didn't have to watch that. But I decided to put glitter headers down here that were, I believe, in the subscription box from DEK Designs. And then I threw some of these bows down from Fabulously Planned down here. Kind of just wanted to add like something a little extra. So now I'm going to throw a little box up here, and we'll do the deco stickers, and I think just a couple functional stickers maybe. Okay, so that's all we're gonna do on this for today. When it comes to functional stickers and whatnot, I was trying to think of what to put here, but then I remembered I started the video off saying something about white space, which apparently I just am too tired to even remember that. So let's do these deco stickers. So these came in the kit, and I absolutely love them, but obviously they're kind of 4th of July themed. So I wanted to use these first. I think she would look pretty cool grilling out here. Because since this is the 9th through the 15th, figured it's definitely close enough to 4th of July. I'll put her here so that her stripes go with the stars. And I'm gonna put this little lady here on the weekend. Alright, now it did come with these beautiful ladies right here, but I'm gonna use them in my bullet journal. And then we forgot the Hello Weekend sticker. Because I need a weekend. Hi. And a face palm sticker. I keep telling everybody I want a face palm sticker. I don't know why it hasn't happened. I should just learn how to make them myself, but a time. Alright, so I love the Celebrate America sticker. But I don't really think it goes too well with that. Let's put this on the weekend here. Because I can. I've seen some people like put deco stickers down and then they cut off the edge. Will look super pretty, but a little secret about me that's not so secretive. I'm a big klutz, so more than likely that would end up in bloodshed. Definitely wouldn't be able to do that on a live video. I'm gonna put those shoes there. Where do we need some flowers? I think I'm gonna put them here. Maybe put one on the weekend here. threw some random balloons out. That's what I'm using to cover the lines. We figured it out. Yay! I'm good at stuff like this, but don't ever ask me to actually draw. It doesn't turn out well for anyone. I guess I can add to my sticker, or add to my resume, I'm a sticker florist. And a couple of stars and a flower. A flower here. And stars. Alright, well, ladies and gents, I think that's all she wrote. So today we used Fabulously Planned and used the trackers on the sidebar. We used the bows from Fabulously Planned down here. Got deco from DEKDesigns.com. And then here's extras from like other kits, extras that I've just purchased, but we don't have many leftovers. It's empty. Headers. Do have some ombre boxes. And these are just from random kits that I grabbed the glitter headers from. The doilies, those come with kits, but you can also buy them separate. That's from the fireworks kit, which is available at DEKDesigns.com. More from that. And I think that's about all we used. Oh, and bow headers from DEKDesigns.com. I definitely need to restock on those. And the date dots were from this company. I just bought from them a couple days ago, and this just arrived yesterday. It was so fast, but created by Danielle. So she was on Etsy and had a bunch of different colored date dot stickers. So I got the date dots from her, and the kit, bow headers, and all this from here. So thank you so much for watching. I really love this spread, and I hope you really liked the video. It's super early in the morning, so I'm sorry if I was being bland or something like that. But yeah, so this is what we have, and I might go back through and do a video that includes me just putting in functional stickers and kind of explaining why I'm doing what. I know that that's something that people enjoy, so I might be doing that. But thank you so much for planning with me, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like my channel and my videos. I am new to all this, so if you have any tips or suggestions, comments, criticisms, please leave them in the comments. I really would love some feedback. So thank you so much, and happy planning. We will see you soon.